Betray your country, betray yourselves.
A kangaroo court is a court that ignores law and justice. They are held to give the appearance of a fair trial, while the verdict has been decided from the start. On Friday, January 25th, 2019, the FBI arrested Rodger Stone in his home. CNN showed up moments before to capture it all in its drama. This was important because Rodger Stone did nothing wrong. The allegation was that he was seeking stolen emails from WikiLeaks that could damage Trump's opponents. And even if this were true, it is no crime. So they make the arrest look like he was Al Capone, because the lie is all they have left. We know the judge assigned to the case has a political motivation to prosecute Rodger Stone. With all of the corporate Mockingbird media against him, Judge Amy Berman Jackson imposed a gag order on Rodger Stone, banning him from discussing his case in public, including on social media. And if that wasn't clear enough, Judge Berman Jackson made it absolutely clear during jury selection.
Her judgments had been transparently political. Yesterday, for example, during jury selection, one of the prospective jurors turned out to be a former press secretary in the Obama administration who admitted that she despises Donald Trump and has friends in the federal prosecutor's office, which is trying the case. Her husband, meanwhile, works at the Justice Department, which is prosecuting Rodger Stone. The woman claims she had followed the Mueller investigation closely, but somehow had never, quote, read or heard anything about Rodger Stone's case and didn't have a strong opinion about it. No sober person could take that claim seriously. But Amy Berman Jackson did. She acted like it was all completely fine and on the level. When Rodger Stone's lawyers asked that that woman be removed from the jury pool, Jackson refused. Personal conflicts, she said, were, quote, not automatically disqualifying.
Even the jury felt compelled to reveal itself as anti-Trump activists. Juror Seth Cousins wrote an article for the Washington Post exposing himself as an anti-Trump activist. And now, juror Tamika Hart has revealed herself as well. After CNN exposed her identity, journalist Mike Cernovich pointed out her clear political bias on social media before she could delete it. Kangaroo Court. The Russian collusion fell apart months ago, and somehow Rodger Stone's made-up crimes still stand? One would think that President Trump would have already pardoned him by now. Never leave a man behind. We cannot leave behind Rodger Stone. And we cannot leave behind General Michael Thomas Flynn. And we cannot leave behind Julian Assange. These men did nothing wrong, and their continued persecution is only proof of a corrupt system.
Betray yourselves. Betray your country.